Yes, everyone, and today I have a surprise for you. Dun dun dun! Let's go. Since I've been a YouTuber, this is something that I've always wanted to do, but I've never done it because my channel is small. However, I said to myself, you need to be able to see yourself where you'd like to be, even if you're not there as it, and voila. Yush! Y'all see that, baby? Yush! Y'all see that? Roman writes. Yosh! Roman writes. Let's see what this baby looks like. Voila! It looks pretty nice. However, I think I should have taken a smaller size. I would love to get up, but I can't because. But yeah, this is really nice. Hold on. Oh, this is wicked. It covers my eyes. It's wicked. I love it. I love it. In terms of the material, I'm not sure what type of material it is. This is what it looks. So it's 100% cotton. Here fits my arm really well. It's just that there's a lot of room here. But nonetheless, ramen.
Sorry, children.
It's not like I have a whole merch line. I just wanted to give myself this and show you guys what it looks like. I'm open to suggestions. With that said, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. Ramen. Ramen, right? Yosh! I am super excited.